In this Aer Cable Kit 3 review, I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about this tech pouch to decide if it's the cable kit of your dreams. High quality materials, feels good, it looks good, it's functional. It's kind of impressive how much it can fit. I'm in love. But it's also like a lot of pockets. But don't worry, if it's not, I got a lot of other tech pouches. Many tech pouches, and if you ain't feeling this guy, I'll throw you a couple alternative recommendations for some cable kit tech pouches that might better suit your needs. Let's talk about the gist of the Aer Cable Kit 3. An upgrade of the Aer Cable Kit 2, who would have thought? The Aer Cable Kit 3 features the brand's typical high quality materials, but also some new organization and much improved internal fabrics. Spoiler alert, I already think it's one of the best tech pouches that I've reviewed. Maybe not the best, but it's also dependent on like what you carry. So we're gonna pack this whole thing out throughout the review, actually like in the next section, so you can get a better idea if it fits your needs. The cable kit currently only comes in one color option, black. It's got an impressive size of 2.6 liters. All Aer products are backed by their lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects. And the Aer Cable Kit 3 currently runs around 65 USD. And if at any point in this review you're thinking to yourself, yes, I'm getting one, and you're gonna make a purchase, we do ask that you do so using the first link in the description below. Reason being, that link makes sure that you get the best price, and we oftentimes have discount codes. But that link also helps to support the Nomads Nation YouTube channel and team, so we can keep doing the best darn bag reviews on the web. Thank you very much. Okay, let's talk about the outside of the Aer Cable Kit 3. First up, fabrics. Should be noted too, this actually comes in two different fabric choices. I have the Cordura version, but there's also an X-Pack version. The X-Pack version features an X-Pack exterior, YKK waterproof zippers, and a high-vis orange lining that you're either gonna love or you're gonna hate. In contrast, the Cordura version uses two fabrics. Bust out my trusty magnifying glass. The two fabrics are so. This first one is like a ballistic nylon with a face. A face is just like a word that we use in the backpack world for like a coating, a weather-resistant coating. Water's just gonna slide right off that face coating. And then for the other parts of the main material, we got this right here, this beautiful 1680D Cordura ballistic nylon. It's rugged, yet has such a gorgeous weave to it. I'm in love. But it should be noted that if ultimate weather resistance is your priority, the X-Pack version might be a better pick. Next up is Aer's branding. Pretty subtle, tag right here, white text. On the back, we have a handle made of a little bit of padding and some nylon webbing. There's a little bit of space to put your hand in there to grab this. And like any good tech pouch, Aer is sort of flat in the bottom a bit, therefore allowing the tech pouch to stand straight by itself. That'll sort of vary depending on what you got packed out inside of it. But ultimately, this makes it a great tech pouch to put inside your backpack, but also to have as like your desk caddy, right? Get to work, you pop this next to you, open it up, all your tech gear and work stuff is just ready to go. It's a big contributing factor for why I like the Aer Cable Kit 3 so much. That's it. Let's talk about the inside. It's where things get fun. First up, we have this zipper right here, which gets you into the front pocket. It's a pretty basic pocket, no additional organization in there, no different material, no cable pass-through hole. In my opinion, it's a good spot to put things that you want quick access to. Like sometimes I have like a call coming in, and I like to use these wired headphones for the calls because the quality is just so crisp. So I'm gonna throw those right in there, and then I got my quick access. Bada bing, bada boom. Main compartment. We got two YKK zippers, not PU coated in the Cordura version. Please remember that. And if you're not familiar, Aer zippers can actually sort of weave into one another, which helps to create a locking effect, which means that it's kind of like a theft deterrent system, sort of. Ultimately, it doesn't make the Cable Kit 3 a vault, but it does give you a bit extra peace of mind. Inside the main compartment, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pockets. Now I can explain all these verbally to you, or we can get our hands a little dirty and pack it out. Let's just skip ahead to the good part. Let's pack it out. All right, we're gonna get weird with it. I'm gonna try a tripod, some reading glasses, adapter, portable battery, notebook, Kindle, smaller notebook, pen, hard drive, some more wires, keys, and we'll see if I can throw a hero clip on there as well. This seems slightly ambitious, but we wanna really test the capacity of this pouch so you can understand what it can fit. Let's start with this sleeve pocket right here. It's actually the perfect size for my moleskin notebook. A little tight, but it does fit, and I can also squeeze my Kindle in there as well. Moving on, we've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pocket area. I can put the keys in that pocket, charging cable in that pocket. One thing to know about these pockets too is they utilize Aer's new elasticy, like kind of meshy material. Love this material. It feels good, it looks good, it's functional, it keeps everything nice and flush while also expanding when you need it. And then on the flip side, we have these two larger pockets. I've got my Anker battery right there, adapter on the other side. This middle zip pocket, I like to put pens. You can fit a bunch of pens there. I got one right now. Zip it on closed. And then on this side, there's one large pocket here and two kind of smaller pockets on the flip side. I got a B7 size notebook, the same size as a passport, so you can see that fits perfectly in that pocket. And my hero clip fits perfectly on the other side. I'm gonna put the hard drive in this pocket right there. Yeah, it's really impressive, but it's also like a lot of pockets. I wonder if it's too many pockets. What do you think? Is this like pocket overkill for you and your tech pouch needs? Is it the perfect amount? Could you use more pockets? Let me know in the comments below. Now all I got left is my tripod and my reading glasses, and I'm gonna be honest, I think we've reached peak ambition. I don't know if this is gonna fit. I'm gonna try and squeeze it on top maybe. Let's try and close it up. OMG. I did not think it would fit all that. Sorry, reading glasses, you're out. But everything else, you're in. I gotta say, if you look at the Aer Cable Kit 3 when it's not fully decked out, it kind of looks pretty slim. But when you really wanna load it up, it's kind of impressive how much it can fit, while still kind of looking sexy. Damn, girl. Let's talk about the overall pros and the cons of the Aer Cable Kit 3. Pro number 1, impressive capacity. Pro number 2 is I love the internal materials. And pro number 3, having one quick access pocket always comes in handy. But I got some cons as well, and I'm gonna tell them to you right now. Con number 1 is that there might be too many pockets for some. Con number 2, it might be too small for some. It's not gonna fit like big, bulky over-the-head headphones like my Sony XMH5s. And con number 3 is it's not like a pure desk caddy that like opens up in front of you. But if you've weighed the pros and the cons and taken everything into consideration, you're gonna make a purchase, just a reminder, we do ask that you do so with the first link in the description below. Thank you very much. But on the note of those cons, I got 3 alternative recommendation tech pouches as promised that might better suit your needs if any of those cons kind of spoke to you. For alternative recommendation number 1, it's gonna be the Aer Slim Pouch. This will be for you for, like I said, with con number 1, if this is just too much, like it's almost a bit too much for me. I only have a few things that I carry in my, day-to-day with a tech pouch. Like this is a more minimalist version while still staying in like the Aer ecosystem. I love the Aer Slim Pouch. And to learn more about it, we did a full review, which you can find linked in the description below. Alternative recommendation number 2 is gonna be the Evergoods CAP 2. This will be for you if you're looking for possibly the best tech pouch in the world, but also one that's like a desk caddy, right? Where it opens up in front of you. Therefore kind of making things a little bit easier to access. It's a little bit more of a nuisance in terms of its shape, but this, it's pretty awesome. And to learn more about the Evergoods CAP 2, take a look at the description below and you'll find a link to more information. And my third recommendation is gonna be this guy, the Alpaca Tech Pouch. This is for you if, like I said, you want something that can hold those big old bulky headphones. This is a tech pouch with a bunch of room and it can fit big old bulky headphones like my Sony XMH5s. And also do like the desk caddy thing as well. And to learn more about this totally tubular tech pouch, just watch this video right here. So much tech pouch cable kit carry awesomeness. Or do you have some tech pouch cable kit carry confusion? If so, let me know in the comments below. I answer all questions myself. I'd love to help. My name's Aaron. This is Nomads Nation, and we'll catch you next time.